Here's the little Easter egg design, and I hope you like it. Simple. You just need to do a couple of eggs, and also my mom put little bunny ears because she wanted to pretend like there's like a little bunny hiding behind the egg. And also, we're trying to get 100 million subscribers. Bye. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
As Billy so graciously explained, it's a really simple design. I like to take a 3/4 inch or a 1/2 inch brush and utilize all of my one strokes and make the eggs. You want to, with the eggs, just rotate your brush out further at the bottom, so swing out and then pull up into a peak. So you're going to make it a little thinner at the top and fatter at the bottom to create that egg shape. This is a great way to utilize all those amazing one strokes you have because you can do this quickly and it's colorful and it's easy. I do prefer to create eggs this way opposed to making a stencil and using my rainbow cakes, which is great when you just have a couple kids, but for larger events, that ends up being a lot of sponges that you're getting dirty, and hopefully you're switching sponges per child. So think if you used 3 sponges on one kid to create 3 eggs, it does not work for an event. So I prefer to do this. It is very easy, and you can correct the shape with your outlining if it's not quite egg-like or if it gets too round. Just practice the movement. It's a little awkward at first, swinging out at the bottom and getting thinner at the top, but you'll get the hang of it. And now the part that makes this design so cute and good for Easter is the little bunny ears. It's just a couple simple little teardrops poking out from the top. And I'm going to add a few flicks with a few different color greens. I've used a medium green and then kind of a light acid yellow green to create some highlights so that we have grass, something for our eggs to sit on. And really, you can decorate the eggs and do the outlining before you even get to this step. I got a little ahead of myself, so you don't have to do it in this order by any means. And then just pick a few decorations that you'd like. I'm doing some circles and some lines, some hash marks on the smaller purple egg. You can, of course, do flowers or get as elaborate or as simple as you want. The nice thing about using the one strokes is you're already going to have some variance in color, so you don't have to add too many details if you have a long line. And you can also just do 1 egg. You do not have to do 3. So if you have a really, really long queue, just do 1 egg. It'll still look cute. So now I'm going to do some outlining in black, and this is where you can correct the shape of those eggs so they look a little cleaner. And I'm just going to put a little pink stripe on the inside of my bunny ears. And then go back to my black brush and give them an outline and some definition. And all of my outlining is just very, very subtle on the tip of my brush, thin lines. Nothing too overwhelming and harsh. You can also outline with other colors besides black. Dark purples, dark blues would look really nice. And I'm just going to add a few flicks of black at the bottom as well to bring that down so that the design is balanced. And that's our quick Easter egg design. I hope you guys like this. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram and tag me if you try this design.